Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know मैंने कुछ upload नहीं किया है and I think it's almost a month, but trust me, it was a very hectic month and it's still very hectic. I have a lot to do, but I thought let's make a quick campus tour video. So yeah, I'm here for that. And I haven't shot this in a single day, obviously. Like, I don't get that much of time nowadays. So yeah, I will be combining shots from various days. So let's get started. So as soon as we step into our campus, all we can see is lush green trees all around us. For someone like me who's from Rajasthan, this was like a heaven when I came here, and I love planting, gardening. So for me, this was like an amazing experience. That's our boys' hostel over there. And when we came here, it was obviously the monsoon season. We came on 7th of June 2024. So it was definitely raining, and the trees looked like 10 to 20 times much better than in this video. And definitely the camera is not doing justice. And to the right hand side is our favorite spot. That's the pond we have inside our campus. So let's explore it. So this is the area where like all the celebrations or be it late night jamming sessions, everything like we do here. I mean, look at the scenery. Like, I'm gonna show it to you in a while, the best shots I have taken. But I mean, just look at it. We have a pond here and I'm mad about it. Look at the scenery. It's so peaceful and beautiful to be here, and the greenery, of course, is like boost whenever I feel a bit stressed or demotivated or anything. Like, all of us just run to this area. After dinner we come here, before dinner we are here. Like, whatever happens, if we are free, we are here. So definitely this place holds a lot of memories for all of us, and it's the place where you will enjoy at any time of the day, like be it early morning, that's the best time to come here, or late afternoons or evenings. I mean, there's this something about this place, it's just mesmerizing. But obviously when you have the privilege to be here every day, so we become a little less grateful. But at the end of the day, this is the best we have, and we also have lots of friends here. And these are the cuties, we love to play with them, feed them. I mean, this is something I have been doing like for months here. It just gives me a sense of joy when I feed them. So it's lovely to have them in the campus. So when we move ahead, on the left hand side we have our mess and canteen, and this road which we are walking on, that's called the PPO road here. And there's this story that if birds shit on you, then you'll get a PPO. That's what we have heard. That's 96 stairs. And this is our girls hostel building. So these are 96 stairs जिस पे चढ़ने में बहुत मौत आएगी, and you will use them very rare. I'll show you from the another side. That's our academic office over there, and the view of 96 stairs from here is definitely beautiful. We have heard stories from our guest lecturers and the alumni that they have had some amazing moments here, like one of them proposed their now wife under this particular gate. So yeah, everything about this place holds so many memories. And I'm gonna attach a few clips from the monsoon season of the campus in the end, or maybe somewhere in between, so you can see how beautiful it looks at the time. I mean, just hear the sound of birds here. And that's the badminton court. We have two on both the sides. And this is our academic building where a lot of things happen, and most of the time we are here giving surprise tests, midterms, end terms, and lots of presentations and case com discussions, preparations, and even interviews of our summer internship or final placements. Everything happens in this building, and that's the view outside of this. And that's where everyone's LinkedIn pictures are taken. And there you can see is our T post. That's where we all are in between the classes, after the classes, before the classes, because it's that little catch up upon each other time we got in between the classes. And this is also the place where our presentation skills are tested. There are times when we need to prepare a presentation and present it within an hour. I mean, so this is the place that we hate the most, but I think we're gonna miss this a lot when we pass out from here. Because in the end, I think it's all those stressful moments where you get rejected in the interviews, you lose your dream company, and that celebration when you secure your placement. All of this happens here. Hi Ritik.
Hi guys, hi. So LB did not give anything to me. I just wanted to have one. See, Diet Coke, not even there. So I'm very much disappointed.
Few months down the lane, what
yeah,
will you miss
so-
about ELV?
Yeah, LB gave me a lot of memories. So that will definitely I'll cherish for the life. Bye guys.
And this is our library, which I forgot to take a video of, but this is something I had. So, yeah, have a look at our library. It's pretty big and it has lots and lots of books as usual. We only go there when it's exam time, obviously. And only good thing about evening classes is this is what welcomes us after our classes. Look at this view. It's just beautiful. So, as I said earlier, I have taken these shots on different days, and obviously, so like earlier, there was an evening shot, and now this was a day light shot. So, this is one of the paths that we use to come back from ALB to our hostels, and this is the happiest time. Like when we go up, we are like catching our breath because it's hard to climb up, obviously, and if we are lucky we get to sit in the cart, otherwise we have to climb up even at 2 o'clock in the noon or 3 o'clock in the noon, so it's really tough, but it is what it is. So this is the lawn we have behind that academic office. This is where some of our activities take place. And again, this is beautiful spot. And that's Mumbai planted over there. I mean, if you guys are able to see this, you would have seen in very less photos actually. We come here very rare. I think today something's wrong with Nidhi. She can't stop humming this. Nidhi, आपने ज़्यादा रील्स देख ली इंस्टा पे. Where are you guys going? यहाँ से निकलना होता है.
मेरे पीछे मीडिया पड़ी है.
Billie Eilish.
This side. So this side we have the guest house, and this is the view from the guest house. Initially, I stayed over there for 2 days, and this is how it looked during monsoon, because this is definitely a clip of June last year, and some other views from this place.
Amazing Anand Vihar.
That's the name of
Residents of
this.
that
इधर आओ गाइस.
That's
अबे इधर
us
आओ. हेलो 313.
after a full day, like 4 or 5 classes. Look over there, na. Nidhi is inspired by me. She's also making a vlog, which will never make it to any social media handle.
It will.
We will see.
Know that.
मेरे को क्या वो बॉब रॉस बना के रखा हुआ है.
Come on.
Bob Ross.
I
Ross
think
Bob.
I'm not able to capture the view because of my height.
दे मैं कर.
इधर से नहीं इधर.
I think we have to say
मैं 5'5".
अच्छा, आई थिंक हम गलत जगह पे थे. व्यू थोड़ा आगे जाके दिखेगा आप लोगों को, सो प्लीज फॉलो मी. Oh my goodness, are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready?
Stop it. That's the view. That's Bihar Lake.
What a view.
Guys, please हट जाओ. निखिल.
So, if you feel demotivated या फिर आपका मन नहीं लगता है कैंपस में, तो हम यूजुअली बहुत रेयर हम यहाँ तक घूमने आ जाते हैं.
हम तो कभी नहीं आते हैं.
पानी को देखने.
6 महीने बाद पहली बार आए.
ए नहीं, कभी कभी आते थे पहले. So this path leads to the pond area or the football ground or the badminton court, and here are the faculty quarters. Hi.
बहुत चढ़ता है 90 को. याद रखना.
That side is the pond area. This is one of the paths which leads us to the
बर्गर वाला पीना.
So that's our football ground, which I never visit. Like, I don't play football, I'm very less into sports. And that's the juice shop. And this side we have Rajesh Paratha, which is where you'll get the homely food if you come here. And this is the place where we often eat. Like, घर का खाना हमें जैसा तैसा है यहीं मिलता है. And he's been here for like more than a decade. And this is the place where we get our dosa, idli, sambar, chutney. And we also have other food options, pizza, pasta, extra here. And further, this is one of the mess we have. So yeah, this was it. I think I have covered a lot. I mean, usual places where we spend our day. See you in the next video. Bye.